Hey, how's it going, guys? I'm Trey Durden here. This is the Wraith Ultimate Paintball Championship. In response to someone that asked, what's the effective range on these things? This is the LWRC. Basically, it's about 100 feet to 200 feet is the effective range. The FPS on these things is about anywhere from 350 if you get ones that are of lower velocity, and then it can go all the way up to 700 feet per second. It acts just like a real firearm, and they hurt very bad. The range is pretty much just like regular airsoft or paintball, about 100 feet to 200 feet, effective range. And you definitely have to lob it if you want to shoot something that's further than that. Thank you so much.